Welcome to video 19 in a series of introductory videos for InventorCAM. This video's topic is drilling in the turning modules. So the drilling toolpath in the lathe or the mill turn module, it's a little different than what we would have seen in video 7, the drilling toolpath for milling. So let's take a look at how that works. It's actually really simple. So right click, add turning operation, and we'll go to drilling. So obviously this one is different from this one. It's different in that for a lathe or a mill turn, the turning operation can only be down the center line. So that's why there's no geometry section. We'll go right to tool and select our tool. So again, similar to what we did in video 2, I've already defined my insert or my tool there as that tool there. So it's actually a 1-inch drill for this 1.25-inch hole. Just make sure it's mounting correctly. Let's go to levels. Levels is safety distance. So it's just how far it's going to retract when it does any movements. And under technology, it's very bare bones. All it is just the drill start, the drill end, and a couple other bits over here. So let's start with the drill start. Either I can plug in the number, or I can click on drill start and actually click on the face that I want it to start. Now in this case, I've already faced the part, so I'm going to start the drill at that point right there. And I'm going to drill all the way to the other side of the part. So just flip this guy around. Choose that back face right there. Now that's the drill start and end. Those are just basic coordinates, and you can see the color coding indicates associativity. So if I go back and change the original model, this drill will always start and end at those particular faces. Under depth type, I can tell it what to do with the drill to those levels. So if we leave it at cutter tip, the tip of the drill will go to this drill end. But in this case, I probably want it to poke through a little bit. So I'll set it to full diameter, meaning that per my dimensional entry on the tool, so the way I define my tool in terms of diameter and the tip angle, I know what the shape of that cone is. I know how much deeper to push the drill so that I get my full diameter. If I were using a countersinking tool, then I would click on diameter value and then plug in whatever diameter I want to leave behind as the major diameter of the countersink. These sections here are very similar to what we saw in video 7. Now, drill end, I still have delta box. I can put in a negative number just to poke through that much extra. Other than that, we have the drill cycles, and you just choose those based off of whatever your post allows you to have. Again, if you click on a cycle that has additional information, you can click on data and then plug in that additional information. Link is always approach and retract points. Those are defaulted to the right safety corner. All we got to do is just do a save and calculate, and we can see that we have now drilled that hole. Any questions on this or anything else from InventorCAM, just give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos in this intro series. Thanks for watching.